Maybe you've seen this insider video of the giant Nutella-filled heart at Sweet Corner Bake Shop in New York. Since we can't visit right now, we decided to try making our own. Here's how you can too. You'll need to start by tempering your chocolate in the microwave in 15-second intervals. A key part to this treat is the snap of the chocolate shell, and in order to achieve that, the chocolate needs to be tempered correctly. Stir after each burst in the microwave until the chocolate is about 3/4 of the way melted. Now you need to start taking the temperature to ensure it doesn't go above 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Continue microwaving, stirring, and measuring the temperature until the chocolate has completely melted. Next, prepare your mold by brushing the inside with an even coat of edible gold luster dust. We used a geometric heart-shaped mold that we found on Amazon, and you can find the link in the description. Once the interior of the mold is completely gold, use a clean paintbrush or a pastry brush to paint a layer of chocolate over the gold luster dust. Be aware that if you use a cheaper kind of chocolate, it might be harder to brush on. The chocolate will now need to chill and set in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes. When the shell is completely firm, pour in 2 pounds of Nutella, or as much as it takes to almost completely fill the mold. Spread it out as best you can, but don't worry too much, it will settle into place as it chills in the fridge. After 30 minutes, pour the remaining chocolate over top and spread it out so the Nutella is completely covered. This now needs to chill for at least another 10 minutes until the top layer of chocolate is completely set. Now it's time to remove the heart from the mold. To do this, carefully cut away the excess chocolate around the edges with a knife. Then brush away the chocolate shavings before flipping it over and peeling away the silicone mold from the chocolate. As you can see, some of the gold dust got disturbed by the chocolate, so to give it a really polished look, we painted the outside with another layer of gold luster dust. Before you break this open, make sure it is at room temperature. Otherwise, the Nutella will be too firm and you won't get the desired outcome. Good luck and subscribe to Dish for more viral recipes.